customer, or maybe you yourself own a recent model BMW and you're not quite satisfied with the tiny little screen that comes from factory, the specialists of OEM integration over at ZZ2 have got a brand new product for you. It's called the DIZZPLAY, and this is a replacement of the factory screen to really enhance your experience and on top of that, some added extra features. We go now to Steve Cope, their sales manager. Steve, welcome back to CMA Live All Access. This is again a new product coming to us from the folks at ZZ2. What can you tell us about the new display for BMW?
You're right, Ben. I appreciate you having us on today, and we are here to announce the newest member of the ZZ2 family, the DIZZPLAY BMW replacement screen, 10.25 inch, high resolution touchscreen, built-in wireless Android Auto, built-in wireless CarPlay.
You know, Steve, at first glance, it's hard for me to discern exactly what has been upgraded here because it looks so factory. So I guess that's my first comment. So what this is an opportunity for BMW owners to upgrade their factory screen to a bigger display. And what comes with that is a couple added features. Let's walk through again in detail some of the features that this upgrade has to benefit from.
You're right, Ben. This new screen has a ton of new features, and one of them being the upgrade from this tiny little bitty 6 inch, maybe 8 inch if you're lucky, inch screen to this really nice high resolution 10.25 inch touchscreen. Again, built-in wireless Android, built-in wireless CarPlay, Linux boot up system, so it's going to boot up much faster, operate much quicker, not require the updates that some of the other operating systems require. It's capable of adding on our additional ZZ Air products as well. So there's a lot of additional features that be added to it, not to mention backup camera input, front camera input, and then to top it all off, ZZ2's leading 3-year warranty.
Well, I gotta say that is a huge upgrade, especially for a BMW, right? You'd figure they'd come up with a better screen than that, but here you come, ZZ2 with a brand new solution. Now, let's understand first the physicality. What are we talking about as far as installation? What's being replaced here exactly?
You're right, Ben. We've made installation of this screen extremely easy for the installers out there. It's going to be a simple plug and play with the T harness. There's no need to have to worry about finding an external module to hide inside the dash somewhere. It's all built into the screen itself.
So, Steve, help me understand the significance behind the fact that this is a Linux-powered device. I mean, a lot of these type of devices we see on the market are Android-powered, but the ZZ2 one has decided to go on with the Linux backend. So, explain to us what the benefits of that may be.
You're right, Ben. We did want to utilize the Linux operating system to separate ourselves from the rest of the screens out there on the market that might be available. The Linux system is going to boot up much faster. It's going to be much more responsive. It's a closed family, so you're not going to be downloading apps into the system, which will drag it down and not make it operate as you would like it to.
My next question, Steve, is going to be an important one. What are we talking about as far as compatibility? Which models of BMW specifically would this new display screen apply for?
Great question, Ben. And compatibility for our screen replacements, we're starting out with BMW, so it's going to be for all CCC, CIC, and NBT radio systems, with Evo coming in the very near future.
So if you're just tuning in, ZZ2 has introduced a brand new product they're calling the DIZZPLAY, starting with an application for BMW to upgrade that factory screen experience without getting into changing out the radio. Now, let's summarize for the folks tuning in. Who or why would people want this?
Great question, Ben. And a lot of that is, a lot of these older BMWs might have delaminated or cracked screens, or they just want to upgrade to a nice 10.25 inch high resolution screen that's not only touchscreen, but it also has built-in wireless CarPlay and built-in wireless Android Auto. It's going to have a front camera input, a rear camera input, so they can upgrade their ride safety, as well as going to have USB playback, like I spoke about before, and ZZ2's award-winning 3-year warranty.
Well, Steve, it's clear to me that this has a lot of benefits and a beautiful new interface with that large screen. But for the record, I want to make sure our viewers understand. By installing the new ZZ2 display, will I be losing any of the OEM factory features or functionality?
Not at all, Ben. Actually, you're going to gain the advantage of a larger screen that's high res. Now, you will continue to use your iDrive to operate on the OEM side, but the touchscreen will kick in when you switch over to the CarPlay Android Auto.
All right, Steve, very exciting news. Last question I have for you. Is this going to be the beginning of maybe more applications that we might see in the future? And is this available now? And where do people go to get more info?
Actually, Ben, the BMW launch is going to be the first of many screen replacement launches that we plan on having this summer. The BMW will be available in about 10 days, 2 weeks to ship from our warehouse here in South Florida. By the end of June, we plan on having Audi in-house ready to ship. By the end of July or August at the latest, we'll have Mercedes in-house and ready to ship. So if you want more information or like to place an order, give us a call here at 929-220-1212 or check us out on the website, ZZ2.com.